It's a very strange game to talk about because, if you look at the result, 2-0 up the, फिर 2-2 हो गया, what do you even say? And there are only so many days you can say कि like today was not our day because these keep piling up. Today was not our day, against City at the Etihad was not our day, against ये team it was not our day. And ऐसे करते करते you start building up. I think we are in our year जब जैसे Liverpool lost Van Dijk to an ACL, and then their entire stats went haywire, and then their season started crumbling a little bit. I think this is our year, man. I think that's the same thing that's happening, except everyone's getting injured. आज अगर आप एस्टन विला का बेंच एंड आर्सेनल का बेंच देखते, इट शोड यू वेरी क्लियरली वेयर आर्सेनल लैक. जब इस गेम में एस्टन विला डुरान को, लियोन बेली को ला रही थी, मालिन को बेंच पे छोड़ रही थी, Arsenal had a bunch of kids on the bench. Of course, there is Zinchenko there. Of course, there is Kieran Tierney there. But there's teenagers there. There's Jorginho. There's Sterling. It's just a completely different story, and I think that just sums up how our squad is built poorly. That just sums up where we lack, and that just sums up the story of our season. We are simply not good enough to just win the games. Sometimes we will pull through. Yes, we pulled through against Spurs. Other times we will not. Now, Thomas Partey at right back has never worked. It has never worked this season. We've always dropped points when Thomas Partey plays right back. When we were up 2-0, I was pleasantly surprised. But surprise, surprise, Thomas Partey lost his man in the second goal and we conceded. Merino lost his man for the first goal and we conceded. And the natural reaction is, why do we play Thomas Partey right back? Well, we don't really have anybody who can play right back apart from Timber, and Timber's played every game at right back. जब Saliba injured हुआ, the question was, do you keep Timber at right back and bring in Kivior, or do you bring Timber inside and then you put Partey at right back again? That is such a terrible choice to make. I mean, it's like asking, क्या आप एक कच्चा प्याज खाओगे या फिर आपको लेमन में बाइट करना है? They're both terrible decisions to make. When you remember Kivior when he was playing against Liverpool this season, we conceded because of him. He lost his marker. When we remember Crystal Palace wala game, when Mateta absolutely bodied Kivior and we conceded a goal. Last season against Bayern, Kivior messed up and we conceded a goal. And it's the same with Thomas Partey. Kabhi wo Spurs ke against he lost his marker. Thankfully, we did not get punished. In this game, he lost his marker. We got punished. And so what do you really do? You don't really have enough people to fill out your backline also. जो आर्सेनल को सब कहते हैं डिफेंडर डिफेंडर डिफेंडर, कितने डिफेंडर लेगी आर्सेनल, एक और सीबी ले लो. हमारे पास डिफेंडर्स भी कम पड़ रहे हैं डिस्पाइट ऑल ऑफ दैट. कैलाफियोरी इंजर्ड, वाइट इंजर्ड, सब ऐसे ही चलता रहता है. विला also were missing defenders, Pau Torres and Diego Carlos, but like I said, Arsenal's injuries are all over the pitch. We are playing the same three attackers every 3 days. We played the same three attackers. Sterling was there instead of Martinelli in the last game. उससे पिछली game पे Trossard was on the bench, and that's all the rotation we do. कि 60 minutes तक 3 strikers खेलेंगे, 60 minutes के बाद एक चौथा striker आएगा. आज Sterling का आना was only necessary because 3 days later we play again in the Champions League, and 3 days after that we play again in the Premier League, and 3 days later after that we play Manchester City. That's basically it. We will have to rotate our strikers because एक को ACL हो गई है, साका लॉन्ग टर्म चला गया है, और 4 स्ट्राइकर्स के साथ आपको 3 पोजीशंस फिल करनी पड़ेंगी. कुछ क्रिटिसिज्म्स हैं जो आप दे सकते हो इस टीम को, which is the lack of performance from Odegaard this entire season. I was just reading about the fact that all season he has had only 2 assists and all season he has had 0 non-penalty goals. And when Saka is out, when Havertz is not in form, and when Trossard is not in form, I'm sorry, you have to be the guy. If you're the captain, you have to be the guy who steps up. In this particular game, I didn't think he was particularly bad. वो game को चला रहा था the best as possible. He was pressing, whatever. But I just felt Odegaard is a very, very, very weak link in the squad. वो नहीं perform कर रहा है. This is the moment he was supposed to step up, Like if Salah is not there for a game, Szoboszlai might step up, or Gakpo or Graham, somebody else will step up. But for Arsenal, I don't think that is the case. And I just think this is just not our year, man. With Saka's injuries and with Saliba's injuries, it's just painful to watch. Like आपके सामने कुछ डूब रहा है and आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसको बचाने के लिए except just pray that the board and the manager just come to their senses and just buy a player. Because मैं हर time कहता हूँ, every 3 days you're gonna get a reminder that this attack is not good enough. आज attack ने बहुत अच्छा करा, आज defense let us down. And ये होगा because Timber will have to play again. Gabriel will have to play again. And Miles Lewis-Kelly at the age of 18 will have to play again. I don't know how sustainable this is. It is a miracle we are still in second right now. Because I've seen teams lose out players and then they fall out of top 4 and top 6s, top 10s also. But ठीक है. This was one of those games where I felt after Saliba's injuries getting a draw would be a great result. It just hurts that वो 2-0 के बाद 2-2 हो गया. It just sucks, but those are the circumstances, यार. And you can call it an excuse, you can call it phase 7 Arteta, you can call it ye, can call it, oh, that's completely fine, man. It doesn't change anything. Sacking Arteta suddenly doesn't bring Saliba back. Sacking Arteta doesn't make Saka come back early. Doesn't give us the depth and doesn't give us anything. Should we have been better in the circumstances? I honestly don't see how. Our season should be over. It is probably over, but it should be over to an extent कि हम top 4 सूंघ भी नहीं सकते. Because we have lost too many players and we are basically running on fumes and we don't have attacking talent. And your board and the manager and the summer transfer and everything has led to this moment. Call it bad luck, call it bad construction, call it bad anything. But it is what it is, I guess. Liverpool, again, now they're 6 points clear with a game in hand. I think that pretty much wraps up the title, right? Like I said, I will only think about the title if in March we are like 3 or 4 points behind Liverpool. Because March mein Saka aa jayega, then we can probably see if we can mount a serious challenge. But it doesn't look like it, chat. Khatam ho gaya hai. I've already titled a video a few weeks back saying Arsenal season's over, and this game just rebuffs that point. But yeah, अब क्या कर सकते for the rest of the season? I don't know. There are 13 days left in the Premier League key transfer window. Don't think we're going to get a striker. We are out of the FA Cup, probably out of the Carabao Cup, and Champions League. I'm sorry, there's just too many better teams right now in the Champions League for us to do anything. ठीक है यार, take it a game at a time. Finish strong, I guess. But it's very weird to see a team in second saying our season is over. Maybe our ambitions were the title and that is why it feels the season is over. But yeah, it's just one of those years, I guess. Can't even say it's one of those games. It's just one of those years, I guess, जहाँ पे आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. You just have to take your punches. You just have to take the beatings, take the banter, take the trolling, and you go again in the summer, I guess. So yeah, I feel defeated. But today's result, it's not really like broken my heart. We did the best we could in the circumstances. I am so sure. अगर दूसरी teams होती similar positions पे, they wouldn't have done much better either. But ठीक है, losing your 2 best players always sucks. But we will have to find a way to adapt. It is what it is. See you all soon. Thank you so much for joining in. Video like कर देना अगर नहीं किया तो subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you all later. Tada, bye bye. See you.